Make sentences using the word school. A single word can have different meanings based on the context or situation. I go to school every morning. He goes to school every morning. They go to school every morning. Here, school means place for learning. A school of fish swims in the sea. Here, school meaning group. She learns dance at a school. Here, school means dining place. The school of art looks beautiful. Here, school means style. Life teaches us in a hard school. Here, school means experience. Life teaches us in a hard experience. He follows a school of new ideas. Here, school means way of thinking. He follows a school of new ideas. My school has many students. Here, school means group of students. He studies in a music school. Here, school means place for learning music. My dog trains in a school. Here, school means training for animals. The school of dolphins moves fast. Here, school means group of dolphins.